So after you've created a profile, you see four things, which is profile, where you just created the insights, the reports, and the to-dos. So if you go to insights, where you see generate insights, and what this is ultimately doing is looking through everything that you mentioned in the recording that you've uploaded or the notes that you've uploaded, and seeing whether anything comes to light as something that you should know for the future. So if we go about clicking generate insight, it's now just scanning through the notes as well as scanning through the recordings that you might have uploaded and finding out what specific things should you remember for either the next conversation that you're going to have with this individual or for the next follow-up that you might want to also have as well. So again, typically it takes about 30 seconds for the moment. And what it's done is created a bunch of insights and to-dos for you. Now, this is really nice because what I really like about it is actually one of the last points here, which is Dave's dog Hubert is undergoing surgery next month. And it's also saying that it might cause emotional and financial stress, right? And so what it's providing as a to-do is saying, why don't you reach out next month and maybe even reach out and have a conversation around this, considering that perhaps there could be a certain amount of money to be paid for the surgery. Now, what this is ultimately doing for you is rather than you having to go through the recording and seeing what specific things was this individual talking about, or go through all your notes going, what specific things do I want to reach out to this client for? Instead, SIFA does all of that for you. So you don't have to do it anymore. It's completely automated. So let's use the surgery for an example here. What you'd have to do is now go to add to do. Now what this does is it takes it to a different page to actually put this down as a to do so that it sends you a nudge so that you actually end up sending over that email and getting in contact for Dave in regards to that to do, which in this case would be the surgery. Now you can go back, click and save, but what you'll also see at the bottom here is three things, which is AI email assistant, report maker, and chatbot. All really, really cool things. But we'll go through all those things in the next session. Okay, bye.